Hello, happy web hosters. No talking, only action today. What is the single most important thing that you can do to make sure that your website has a good ranking in the search engines? First of all, up here where it says primary domain in the right hand side where my mouse is, have you got your certificate installed? Do you have a lock next to your domain? If not, you come right down here to where you see security. You click on SSL TLS status. And if you don't have these green circles, or if you've never run an AutoSSL, your server may or may not be configured for AutoSSL. You need to get that done. But today we're assuming that it is configured. You can click manually here on the button Run AutoSSL. And if all your DNS and everything checks out and it's all proper, you will get a picture that looks like this and the security lock will turn on. So the first thing you need to do is get the security lock to turn on. And if you have the AutoSSL option and you run it, it should be okay. If it comes up with messages, you have to fix the issues as appropriate. And then once you have your AutoSSL certificate, you can come back here and you go to domains. Now your site is secure, but if browsers do not use HTTPS, the most important thing that you have to do is to turn on this thing that looks like a key. See where it says Force HTTPS redirect? This means that when the person enters the insecure HTTP with your domain, they will not get a secure thing, and it will say not secure in the left, and as a result you will be sidelined in the search engines. All of the operators of the search engines are giving you somewhat of a preference. Okay, if you have a secure HTTPS. Okay, so we've turned it on for this domain, Barbados Photo Gallery. Please visit our website and look at some of the beautiful pictures of Barbados, and then come and have a wonderful time on our beaches as soon as you're ready to leave your house. We don't have any COVID here, and we're hoping to keep it that way. Even after you've turned on auto redirect, you will not get the lock if you have insecure URLs on a secure page. For example, here you can see that within the page code we have HTTP instead of HTTPS. Therefore, the presence of this code on a web page is going to bring on the insecure, not secure thing. You're not going to see the lock. So in order to get this page to come up securely with the lock, we're going to have to change HTTP to HTTPS for every occurrence on the page. Now we have a tool here, Ultra Edit. You can see it here, which will allow us to make that one change across thousands of pages. We put the pages in one directory and we go replace, and we replace all the instances. For example, here, let me show you. There we go, search, replace in files. Find what, replace with, and then we can make sure it replaces all the files, replace all. Okay, people, have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video.